like, what would you say the two biggest challenges are, maybe in hindsight, um, in delivering the most for your CISO?
Tackling the ambiguity first. That was definitely the biggest deciding factor for being able to really define what is the role of the CISO, what is the role of the chief of staff, aligning on what the strategy, what is the story we want to tell with like our board of directors, and how do we make sure that like our team is on board with that story. I think that was like a huge milestone for us in our relationship, and making sure that we were able to like be able to be the most impactful people that we could be.
Totally. Figuring out what the story is. Catherine, would you add to that?
Would, and I think that ambiguity, part of how we clear that, part of how we build trust. And it's funny, in security, so much is based on data and intel and sharing that data with each other. And for chief of staff, it's the same thing. The more we can observe and listen for process improvement opportunities, what is the sentiment? How is the team feeling? And use that almost as I'll say currency to build that trust and clear that ambiguity.